How has the aftermath of Bandish Bandit season 2 been for you? Tell us.
It actually started with your call.
Oh!
हम शाहरुख खान बनने आते हैं यहाँ. हमको लगता है कि हम आएंगे, हम ऐसे दरिया के सामने खड़े रहेंगे, हम बोलेंगे आई एम गोना रूल दिस सिटी वन डे, और वो हो जाएगा. और वो कास्टिंग वाला दरवाजा खुलता है, वहाँ से एक आदमी बाहर निकलता है, and he just looks at everybody, says not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit. हाँ तुम अंदर आओ, not fit. It could be the most commercial possible film, and there can still be elements of conviction and truth.
Absolutely.
Like when you watch a Rajamouli film, for example.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
Okay, this is so great because I watched a show recently. It's called Bandish Bandits season 2, and I'm a huge fan of that show. Everybody knows that I wasn't such a huge fan of season 1, but I think there are lots of reasons why I was a huge fan of season 2, and one of those reasons is sitting with me, Paresh Pahuja. season 2 में ही तुम्हारी एंट्री हुई है ना?
हाँ जी.
हाँ यार, क्या माही बने हो तुम यार, बहुत मजा आया. Congratulations and welcome
Thank
to
you
Just
so
to
much.
Fill Me. How has the aftermath of Bandish Bandit season 2 been for you? Tell us.
It actually started with your call.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that was lovely. I had just gotten up and I get a call from you, and it was so quick. You're like, I just saw Bandish Bandits and I think you're great in it, and I'm going to interview. Then I'll call you later. And then I woke up and I got some coffee and I'm like, okay, let's see.
Yeah.
If this is just, if you say, because I know you're very honest about things. You're like real life Mahi, who doesn't mince words. And
बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है ये भाई.
बहुत नहीं अच्छी बात है ये.
Because कुछ
It
कुछ
takes a lot of
actors
courage.
हैं. हाँ, अभी क्या करे? I have not liked a film recently, and I met an actor, and a lot depended on that film for that actor. So when they asked me, I said, I think I'll have to rewatch it to find what I like in it.
Oh.
Because what do I say? And then I know that they didn't take it very well.
Yeah.
And you know when they don't take it well.
You
Also.
see that on the face, yeah.
And the impact of that you find out a couple of weeks later when you ask them to do something for you. ये जो रिश्ता है ना journalist का और actors का, ये थोड़ा सा, it can't all be good.
Yeah.
Because you are doing something which is a subjective art.
Yeah.
And it's so hard. So I hope that all of the feedback right now, जो भी subjective feedback है, has been good. What is that like? Like, what is the audience saying?
It's actually beyond what I expected. थोड़ी बहुत उम्मीद थी. And you always, as an actor, you want these things to happen. You visualize these things. You know, you'll get these messages and calls, and people will reach out for the kind of work you want to do. And when it actually happens, you still feel a little overwhelmed. Your nervous system is not used to it. But it's been phenomenal. Like, it's been beautiful, and the timing of things have been so good that my music has picked up at the same time.
Yeah. So here's my question.
Yeah.
Is Paresh Pahuja the musician who's emerged right now or broken out right now? Has he emerged as a result of Bandish Bandit season 2?
I think it's just the cusp of both. It's
Okay.
just because my Duro Duro video and Botalan video, they started kind of going viral first, and Bandish happened at the same time. And then you know, the whole dilemma of if I'm an actor or a musician kind of.
Yeah.
But now people, I think, understand that I love both in equal measure.
Correct. And you can sing.
It's about both, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, for me, and I'm sorry, I'm not comparing at all, but it's very important for us to have references, right?
Yeah.
And that reference to me is an Ayushmann who's done it. you
Yeah,
know?
and Kishore Kumar.
Kishore, the greatest
Kishore
of
Dada,
all
yeah,
time.
yeah,
And
yeah.
these are guys who've done it before us, you know. So there is no choice really
Yeah.
that you need to make. But I think Bandish for you was the sort of Bandish of these two, which is the actor
Oh, yes.
and
I
the
love it.
musician. You brought something to Mahi that was so raw and real. You had so much fun with that character. What was the brief that you received and how did you make it your own?
The brief for Mahi actually was Anand sir when I met him for the first time, and he just said, "Tu jaisa hai waisa karna hai." Well, like, kuch try nahi karna hai. There should be no need for attention, no need to try to do anything. Just maintain the ease that you have and bring it to the character and learn to play sitar as much as you can. If you do, great. If you don't, I'll take your close-ups. So
But you did.
I had to. I mean,
Yeah,
if
you
somebody
did, na?
trusts you like that, you can't
But
let them
तुमने
down.
सीखा ना?
हाँ, मैंने सीखा.
हाँ, कहाँ से सीखा?
उन्होंने मुझे टीचर दिया प्रसाद सर करके. He was
क्या बात है?
brilliant. He
Because
was-
there is a point where you
Yeah.
play the Malhar.
Yeah, I do. play.
And it
Actually
is
play.
stunning, like that whole sequence where you just go insane with that,
Yeah,
right?
It's my favorite.
Oh man, that is such a great scene. Did you know going in? Can you tell as an actor? You're 32 at this point, 33.
33.
At 33 की उम्र में, and you've been around for a while. You've
Yeah.
been doing this for 10 years now, right?
Yeah.
तो एक तो 10 साल हो गए ये करते. Do you have a sense when you read a script now that it's going to be good?
Yeah.
You do?
I do. I do, and it's not logical. And I've realized after so many years that nothing in life is logical and linear. And I've stopped following logic in the sense, I mean, you use it in your day-to-day survival that you need. But when it comes to creative choices, I look for truth. Has the writer put in their own truth? Is there something that they really want to say? Is the director putting in their truth? And it could be the most commercial possible film, and there can still be elements of conviction and truth. Like when you watch a Rajamouli film, for example.
Yeah, we just watched Pushpa.
Pushpa. Or
Pushpa 2 is a great example.
Yeah.
Because you're feeling.
You're feeling.
It's not कि बड़ी फिल्म है, commercial film है, इसके लिए वो कहीं ना कहीं there's a false note. They are truly believing in that
They're
larger than life.
convinced. So that conviction is what I look for. And you, when you meet those people, when you read text, you realize कि उसमें conviction वो है. And I think that's the only thing I feel audience is very smart. They have an inherent bullshit detector in them.
That's so true. Yeah.
And if you
They can tell.
They can tell.
हल्के में नहीं ले सकते basically
नहीं,
आप. Yeah.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
And I loved this season for a lot of reasons because they just went deeper.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so they just went deeper with everything, with the emotion, with the music also.
Yeah.
And even though the music this time sounded very different from the music that was in the last season, I still felt that they delivered what they had to, and I think it was amazing.
Yeah.
I always say to actors that project अच्छा होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
If a project does well,
Everyone shines then.
everyone shines.
Yeah,
You know,
totally.
there is no I did better or whatever. You've been acting for a while. I remember watching you in Lakkad Baga and you were very good. You know, that was a very, very special film. You played also slightly an unhinged man. When you look back, if I asked you what are your sort of pivotal moments for you as an actor, if you could name one or two or think of one or two, which would those moments be?
Actually, as an actor, screen actor, my debut film, Tiger Zinda Hai, was definitely one because that put me on the map. And yeah, I mean, Yash Raj Films just decided to give a break to somebody who had nothing to do with films,
Yeah.
Ali sir.
Yeah.
And that was the starting point. But I, at that point, didn't know how to navigate my way through.
But उससे पहले क्या हो रहा था? तुम
उसके पहले मैं
मुंबई में
I was-
थे, तुम auditions कर रहे थे.
हाँ, बहुत.
हाँ, तो tell us a little bit about that phase.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's so funny when somebody says pivotal moments. You only think of the nice ones, but there have been ridiculous and terrible moments that I've gone through as an actor in Aram Nagar, which is like the
जहाँ कोई आराम नहीं है.
जहाँ कोई आराम नहीं है. वहाँ मुझे याद है एक दफा मैं गया था. I had quit my comfortable job that I was doing, and I
क्या
decided.
कर रहे थे?
I was in a production house. Before that, I was in advertising. तो मुझे वो करते करते, and my flatmate was a casting assistant, and I used to sing घर पे. So he said, I'm casting for an ad, and I need an actor who can play the guitar. It's a secondary part somewhere. Just be standing and playing the guitar. It's a last minute casting. I can't find anyone. Please come and audition for me. So I said, okay, I'll just go help my friend. तो वो किया, and I got that part. And मैंने office से छुट्टी ली 2 दिन की, and I went to shoot that. And I had nothing to do on set. I just had that one little shot, but I was there for 2 days. But Rohini, the joy of being on set and watching the light dadas running around with lights and spot dadas and director, everybody working towards that one frame and make it look perfect. And that energy was something that I'm like, okay, this is something I want to do. Just that thought, that clarity in your gut. And I came back and I quit my job. Uske baad, I knew a few friends who used to go and audition, and I asked one of them कि कहाँ जाते हैं भाई, मुझे बताओ, मुझे पता नहीं. So I went with him once, and यहाँ कार का कोई audition चल रहा था आराम नगर में, and I enter with my friend, and there are like 15 extremely good looking boys with ripped bodies and jaw lines, and they are standing in line with wearing blazers, and और वो casting वाला दरवाजा खुलता है, वहाँ से एक आदमी बाहर निकलता है, and he just looks at everybody, says not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit, हाँ तुम अंदर आओ, not fit. और मेरी हार्ट रेट बढ़ चुकी है इस वक्त यहाँ तक.
तो तुम्हें बोला अंदर आओ कि नहीं?
नहीं, मेरा तक आई नहीं अभी तक बात.
ओह,
मेरा जो दोस्त था उसको देखते हैं और बोलते हैं कि यू ऑल्सो नॉट फिट, एंड देन ही लुक्स एट मी लाइक आप भी ऑडिशन के लिए आए हैं? एंड आई गो लाइक नहीं. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं तो मेरे दोस्त के साथ आया हूँ. मैंने लाइक अच्छा. एंड देन ही गोज इन, आई लुक एट दैट गाय, आई एम लाइक मैं नहीं कर सकता ये. मैंने कहा मेरे अंदर वो है ही नहीं कि मैं.
it's so intimidating.
इंटिमिडेटिंग एंड हाउ.
Yeah.
दिन में 25 बार 20 बार आपको ना सुनने मिल रहा है, और ऐसे भी वो वाला ना भी नहीं है कि it just
There
they
is
don't
no
tell you.
so sorry. There is just a not fit.
not fit. And उस टाइम मुझे पता नहीं था, कि मुझे लगा नॉट फिट बोल रहे हैं यार, बंदे के तो अच्छे खासे बाइसेप्स हैं,
Fit
बंदा
तो है.
काफी फिट बंदा है, ये कैसे नॉट फिट बोल रहे हैं?
Correct.
तो मैंने कहा अगर ये बंदा नॉट फिट है, इतना चिजल्ड बंदा, तो मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ फिट. So I said no, I'm not here. Then I just didn't go to Aram Nagar. I stopped going. I said this is not, and I was like मैंने नौकरी छोड़ रखी है, घर वालों को लग रहा है मैं नौकरी कर रहा हूँ, मैं ऑडिशंस पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ, तो मैं एक्टर भी नहीं बन सकता. आई हैव गिवन अप ऑन दैट ड्रीम. तो मैंने कहा मैं करूँ क्या? सो उसके पहले मैंने थोड़ा बहुत वॉइस ओवर्स करे थे, डमी वॉइस ओवर्स, जहाँ पे मैं काम करता था. तो बिफोर द फाइनल वॉइस ओवर आई यूज्ड टू डू द लिटिल स्क्रैच. मैंने कहा वो कर सकता हूँ. सो आई स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग आउट माय वॉइस ओवर वर्क इन रील टू द डायरेक्टर्स. And while I was doing a voiceover for a director, he said, "You have an interesting face. Why don't you audition for this ad?" And then he auditioned me for that ad, and I got that. And then I got another one. Then confidence also dhire started building up. Ki you don't have to look only a certain way or be a
Correct.
certain way. And then just but that was a pivotal moment. But it's so luck by chance. I went
It's so luck by chance. I'm getting like goosebumps when you said that, because that's
It's-
the exact film
Yeah.
that came to my head.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's exactly that.
Did you at any point turn around and say, "ये सब तो कर लेंगे"? See, all of this when people talk about is the sort of like the bureaucracy around it, you know. But what I'm always interested in is, as an actor, when you say I want to be an actor, how do you prepare to be an
Yeah.
actor? What did you do for that?
See, there are two facets to that. One is कि हम शाहरुख खान बनने आते हैं यहाँ. हमको लगता है कि हम आएंगे, हम ऐसे दरिया के सामने खड़े रहेंगे, हम बोलेंगे I'm gonna rule this city one day, और वो हो जाएगा. Because of the story. We
The
love that
story,
story.
of
We love that
course, it's the
story,
greatest
you know?
story in
Yeah,
this
yeah.
city, yeah.
And every time I'm feeling low or something, I go and watch his videos. So एक तो वो reason है. और उसके बाद उसके पीछे का जो process है वो तो हमने देखा ही नहीं कभी. And once we get closer to that process and we see that there are 50,000 people coming every day to do this, it humbles you.
Yeah.
And then the real test is whether, what is it you're doing it for? Are you doing it for fame, money, which is great. I want to do it for that. I want to have it all because it gives me a lot of agency, you know, gives me freedom, choice to do the kind of work I want to do and share stories and you know, the message that I want to bring in the world. The other is just the sheer joy of doing.
Yes.
Like-
just acting.
Just acting.
Yeah.
Just like, would you rather do anything else? The answer is no. Then do it. Then don't worry about somebody telling you not fit. Then just get rid of it. कि वो ना बोला वो उसका thought है भाई. That doesn't change anything about you. ये दो चीजें हैं. But the beauty is when you come to this spot, like Mahi's one line that I love is one for the kitchen, one for the soul. And you do some theater,
Yeah.
then you come and, you know, maybe do an ad, and then you do an independent film, and then you do a commercial film.
Correct.
तो वो है.
So what is your prep like? Like, what do you do? Are there classes? Are there workshops? Do you have a coach?
These days, every production house, every director, they kind of, first of all, they cast you based on your merit, so you're very close to the character already. Secondly, they give you an acting coach or a dialect coach. Like I've done a film called Lord Cousin Ki Haveli, which will release very soon.
आने वाली है.
आने वाली है. तो उसमें मुझे British accent सीखना था. So they gave me an accent coach.
Correct.
For this one, they gave me a sitar coach. Then there are complex roles where you have where there's no additional activity like sitar playing or something. So then you have to work on the character.
Yeah, of course.
And then they give you an acting coach. Uske alawa, there is a lot of prep that you do as an actor, and that changes project to project, like completely. My
प्रोसेस के हिसाब से वो अलग कैरेक्टर के लिए एक अलग प्रोसेस होता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I instead of now focusing on the process of it, I focus on the essence of it. I focus कि अगर ये बंदे को मैं रियल लाइफ में मिलूंगा तो इसकी एनर्जी मुझे कैसी लगेगी.
बिल्कुल.
And if I have that sense कि भाई ये बंदा ऐसा है, and if I go home, you know, after meeting him, will I think about him? Will I not think about him? Will I feel good about it? Will I feel awkward about it?
Correct.
And if I'm able to create that essence, and the moment I decide this is the essence, everything else just starts coming together. I find the walk, I find the voice, I find everything.
The music, of course, is a huge part of your life.
Part of it.
And your life, it's so lovely, and which is why I think it's a great time to talk to you now, because you know you have a role that gives you a chance to do both.
Yeah.
You recently put out a concert. It's called the Voice Notes concert, which I absolutely love. Are you going to do more of those?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
great!
We are touring with it. very
So
soon.
performances, and you know, I saw the faces of those girls at this Paresh Pahuja concert, and those girls are like. So they're not only reacting to you and what you look like, they're also
music,
reacting
yeah.
to what you're saying and the sort of storytelling you've built around it. Tell us a little bit about that.
So it started with, again, like every story, when your protagonist is feeling very low about life and doesn't know what to do and feeling stuck. So this year was difficult for the industry overall.
ये क्यों बोल रहे हैं लोग? Because I'll tell you why. COVID के time पे I think there was a boom
Yeah.
because of OTT.
Yeah.
And then that lasted for a year. And then this year it's kind of like equalized because
Yeah.
theatres are back. So is there really a paucity of work?
I mean, I think this year was a lot of figuring out what's working, what's not working, because everything that was working on paper was not working in the theatres.
Correct.
So उस चक्कर में मतलब the number of projects that were, you know, coming earlier, now suddenly it's opened up again.
Okay. So it's like a, you know, like a yo-yo, like it goes up and down.
Transition phase, yeah.
Correct.
It's absolutely, I think every couple of years there's a phase where also what happens is there's a lot of socio-economic change that happens in the country, internet consumption, expenses, people's incomes, their you know, family income. Their source of entertainment. Reels has, you know, now become such a huge part of consumption and entertainment. So you're competing against that also.
100%.
You're competing against that attention span. तो उस सब के चक्कर में you don't really know what works and what doesn't.
It's like the butterfly effect. यहाँ पर JP Root पर रहने वाला एक actor, you know, he's getting impacted by this. It's crazy.
Everybody. Even like, so if I'm affected, then my team is affected. My staff is affected, my hair makeup team,
Yeah,
my
of course.
spot team, everybody. So it's a full ripple effect that happens.
That's so true. I completely get it. It's not been a great year, guys. Yeah. Huh.
Yeah. But I think it's kind of also given a lot of insights to the makers and the producers about, you know, the kind of stories will work are the ones that they really want to tell. And those are working. And
Sorry, I fully digressed now. We've
That's
gone
okay. What was
totally.
the question? Sorry.
No, about the concert.
oh yes. Concert, focus.
No, it's me also, because even I was like, "Arey, it hasn't been a bad year."
So the Voice Notes concert started with me feeling, yeah, I can't be dependent on external circumstances all the time. I have to do something. And what's in my control is music, because it's personal. You can just pick up the guitar and do something. So it started like that, and I'm strumming मेरे घर पे बैठे कुछ, and I call up these musicians that I met on the sets of Bandish Bandits.
Oh,
हाँ.
तो ये तुम्हारा बैंड ही है?
हाँ, so ये Rajan Raga वाले ही हैं
Oh
members
my
जो मेरे पीछे
God!
बैठे हैं.
Of course, that's amazing.
Yeah, so that's the perfect circle of life. And I called
Correct.
them, I said, घर आ जाओ, कुछ बात करनी है. They come over, I said, यार, मुझे perform करना है. I think I've been making music for 7-8 years now. I want to perform. तो बोले हाँ करते हैं. So just 4 of us jamming. Let me just book this small venue. I'll call my friends and family, and we'll just do some unplugged kind of music. So it started like that. We booked the venue right away, a small theater in Andheri, and फिर वो हर दिन बढ़ता गया कि नहीं, let's add this, let's add a violinist, let's add this. तो ऐसे कर करके बैंड बड़ा हुआ. अब मैंने कहा, but people don't know this music, so they get bored if you for 1.5 hours give them completely new information. एक काम करते हैं, let's weave a story around it. And I love voice notes. And that's been such an important part of my
same
relationships.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a radio jockey. सिर्फ voice notes. इनको पूछो, सबको voice note ही मिलते हैं यहाँ पर.
No text, voice notes only. तो मेरी पिछले relationship में भी बहुत ऐसे लंबे voice notes आते थे. हम बात ही ऐसे करते थे. मेरी खुशियाँ भी उसमें थी, झगड़े भी उसमें थे. So I played a few of those. I'm like, there's some story here. I started putting down a story which was partially inspired by my real life. And then we put all these songs around it. So there are 6 voice notes and 12 songs, and they are a part of the story. So the audience was throughout glued कि अच्छा
कहानी में आगे क्या होता
कहानी में क्या हो रहा है? Are they together? Are they not? Are
Lovely.
they getting married? Are they not getting married? And so it was quite unique. It was, I don't think it's happened.
और ये शो हो गया है.
ये हो गया है.
What
it's
the
gone
hell,
viral.
यार?
नहीं, but we are doing.
अभी करो और
we are
हमको भी
doing-
देखना है.
You will be there.
I think it's amazing.
Yeah.
And where did you pick up the singing or the performance as a singer? Did you train for it, or this is self-taught?
This is pretty much self-taught.
Wow, that's amazing. That's
yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Would you want to be a singer, like full on?
I would love to be a
Really?
proper playback singer. That was my first
Really?
calling. Yeah, actually.
Wow.
I mean, while performing as an actor, while being an actor, because I think मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे हम लोग वो थोड़ा कर लेते हैं कि या तो singing या तो acting.
But एक जमाना हुआ करता था where to be an actor, you have to sing
You have
first.
to sing first.
Yeah,
और
क्योंकि
अभी
musicals,
like,
yeah.
Broadway वगैरह करना है आपको तो वहाँ पे तो you have to write your singing range.
यार
Like Meryl
Bradley
Streep-
Cooper करता है दोस्तों.
Bradley Cooper, Meryl Streep, everybody.
They're amazing.
Yeah, and he directs these films also. He acts in them. He makes music around those
It's
films.
amazing. Yeah, that range is something that we are not accepting yet.
Yeah.
Because I just feel that, अब तो लोगों ने acting भी करना बंद कर दिया, वो अलग बात है. और वो star बन गए. Now they are stars. They don't even need to act. They can dance and go to the gym. It's amazing. तुम नहीं जाते gym?
मैं जाता हूँ, मुझे
तुम
बहुत
जाते
पसंद है
हो?
जिम.
But talk to me about boys who think that being actor is going, because Aram Nagar is full of those.
I mean, see, looks is an important part of being an actor because you're cast according to how you look. Fitness is important because if you're working out, you have certain chemicals releasing in your body. You keep your
You feel
sanity.
good, yeah.
You feel good. You feel good about yourself. At
Correct.
least what's in my control as an actor. कि ऑडिशन दिया मैंने और मैंने अपने आप को एक अच्छे शेप में रखा, अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रखा. That's in your control. So I think all the people who do it primarily for that reason, because if they don't do that, then they don't feel any sense of control.
That's true. Also, your body is your primary instrument as an
Yeah,
actor,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So कहीं ना कहीं उसे ताज़ा
You have
रखने
to
के लिए,
use
yeah.
it. You have to use it, and तो वो reason है एक तो. For me, that's the reason कि I have to. This is a very important instrument. I have to use it, and your body is built for mobility. So keep on sharpening those muscles also. But उसके अलावा भी
बहुत चीजें हैं.
करनी
As an actor, if someone discovers you, and I'm sure a lot of people know you already, but ऐसा हो सकता है that someone discovers Paresh, through this interview, and
Yeah.
if you had to take them to one performance of yours
Yeah.
that you'd really like them to watch,
Yeah.
what would you take them towards?
Like my performance.
Yeah, I thought you were fabulous in Operation Valentine.
Thank you so
It
much.
was such a cute freaking.
Thank you.
यार वो शो ही इतना क्यूट है. It was so
Thank
cute.
you, thank
And it was also how do I say this, like
I'm happy.
I don't want to compare it ever to, but the reference is Fighter for me.
Yeah.
But it's Fighter, but like for Gen Zs.
We were to release before Fighter.
Correct. No, but it was
finished
good
filming, yeah.
because I had seen Fighter.
Yeah.
So by the time I discovered this show, I thought this is so refreshing because, you know, when you watch a fighter, there is a certain
Yeah.
imaging to it. And, you know, you can't have fun even if you want to.
Yeah.
You know, but you guys had fun with that
We had
show,
so much
didn't
fun.
you?
Varun Tej was it was my Telugu debut, my first Telugu film with Manushi Chiller. I think it
Yeah.
was her Telugu film
Yeah.
also. And Varun Tej was a sweetheart.
It was
He's been
lovely.
a brother throughout. We were shooting at a real airbase in Gwalior,
Yes, of
so we were
course.
not allowed phones. We just go in. Either you have a book, you read, baki between shots because it's taking a lot of time for setup and airplanes and missiles and whatnot, and it's like heat, 43, 44 degrees.
Yes, yes.
The only thing you can possibly do is talk to another human being. और वो इतना सुंदर experience था because you had no distractions and we bonded like brothers and Manushi and I and Ruhani was another actress. तो बहुत मजा आया उसमें. I mean, I wish a lot more people see that film.
Yeah,
It's on
and
OTT now.
maybe you can watch it. It's on Z5, right?
It's on at the moment I think it's on Prime.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's on Prime Video, Operation Valentine. Please
Yes,
watch
please.
it. It's
Please, fight
really
it.
lovely, and I think you'll really like it. Anything else you want to recommend?
Tandav, you can watch Kadak Singh on Z5. Yeah, Lakkad Bagga dekho yaar. वो
Lakkad
हमारे-
Bagga.
You should watch Lakkad Bagga on Z5.
What's coming up? Tell us.
I'm doing a show called The
Mm.
13th, which I finished shooting for.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to release very soon. Lord Cousin Ki Haveli and this concert tour that we are planning, which will be
Well,
fun.
Lordy, you better call
You
me.
will
Huh?
be
I
in
want to
the-
be in that reel looking like that, saying, wow.
You will
I want to be
I
one of those
promise.
girls in the reel. Paresh, I'm so happy you made the time.
Thank
It's
you.
so lovely to talk to you because, you know, you're right. We're all meeting each other in pockets and in
Yeah.
seconds saying, hey, yaar, good job, whatever. But it's so nice to sit down with
Yeah.
you and get to know you a
And
little bit.
same. This is way better than like usually जो हम बॉम्बे में करते हैं. Hey, we should hang यार.
कभी नहीं होता मैं तो बोलती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है यहाँ पे मैं बहुत मेहनत करती हूँ यार मैं नौकरी पेशा लड़की हूँ एंड आई हैव अ डे जॉब राइट एंड दिस इज माय जॉब आई यही करने में मेरा पूरा दिन निकल जाता है
नहीं,
उसके
but
बाद
what people don't know about you, and I really hope you will find that out about Rohini very soon. She recites poetry beautifully. She does theatre. She's an author. You'll read her book very soon,
इंशाल्लाह
and you'll see her roundtables very soon. And I hope to be a part of that
Yes.
too very soon.
Yes, I'm sure we will. So thank you so much for
Thank
making the
you.
time and keep in touch. Okay.
Yes, please. Hi, this is Paresh Pahuja, and I had the best time talking to Ro Talks. Please subscribe to Just to Film Me.